I just got horrible news. My dog died, man. I love my dog so much. Never even got another chance to see him ever since I moved out of LA, you know. I live in a different state now. Yeah, he had cancer and all that. I dedicate 7:30 for my dog. Rest in peace. To the great Isaac. His name's Isaac. Oh, by the way, I'm 729 now. I'm heartbroken. I mean, like you don't understand. Everybody's upset when their dog dies, but me and my dog, man, we were literally a dynamic duo.
Oh my God, what a load of shit. Give this guy an Oscar. Charlie didn't give a shit about that dog. He never walked that dog. Even his parents never walked that dog. His apartment was full of pee pads, and Charlie doesn't live in another state. He lives in a complete different country.